Hey dude,
Yeah? What is it?
this island is big, isn't it?
Yeah. Pretty big, I have to say so myself. Oh my gosh! Pencil, you actually made it. Yeah, I did. Like, together, we're gonna so win this season. Yeah, I hope nothing happens to us and gets us eliminated. Yeah, I bet so. Oh my god, Tyler! I'm so happy you're gonna play!
Oh yeah, I am playing this season.
Glad that you can play, Tyler. Me and I have been total traumatized by the light.
Yes, we have. Insane. Are you too?
Yes, we are! Tyler's just too handsome.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome, my Tyler, aka the most handsome guy on the planet.
Yo, I can't believe we're together again. Yeah, that's right, and I like it.
Yeah, it's exciting to be all here together. In a nice island.
Hi, Harold. How's your going?
Hi, Lashana. So yeah, my day is going fine. And I'm so excited to be here.
Yo, what's up man?
Duncan, you again. Oh,
Why did you have to kiss him like that?
What? I just wanted to say hi to my best friend.
Well, he ain't your best friend if you kiss him like that.
yeah, I agree, Lashana.
Ugh, fine, I'll leave you guys alone. And by the way Harold, you're still my best friend, even when I kick you.
Hi, Kane. It's so nice that we're playing together. Let's hope we win. Yeah, right, man? And it's so delightful out here in the morning sun. Yeah, like I believe the morning sun. Everyone to the Media Center now! Welcome, everyone, to CCE. And I am 4, the host of CCE. And I am Max, the co-host of CCE. In CCE, there'll be 3 teams of 7. And those teams will have their own place to sleep. And every day, you guys will compete in challenges. However team wins the challenge wins immediately. The other 2 will be up for elimination. About the eliminations, you guys and our lovely viewers out there will vote on either your team or the other team to for elimination. Well, actually, you can all vote someone out of the other team because you have to vote someone of your team. Oh yeah, that's right. But anyways, those areas so you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We guys don't want you to starve to death, don't we? True. And here's the cool thing. You can go over here anytime you want to protest to the viewers. Like what you want, need, and yeah. Okay, so that's all I have to say. Now we're gonna put you in your teams. I have a list of what team you're gonna be in. Either the red, the orange, or the pink. Here is your list. And you may be wondering, why are 3 names highlighted in red? Well, if your name is in red, that's because you're a team leader. Oh my gosh, Tyler, you're a team leader.
Yeah, of course. I am a team leader. Yay.
Oh my gosh, I didn't expect to become a team leader. Yeah, you're so lucky, man. Whoa, lucky.
Wow, you're so lucky dude.
Thanks, guys.
Yay, I am a team leader.
Lucky.
Thanks, guy.
Anyways, follow us. And also stay with with your team at all times. Alright, contestants, before I explain about the beds and stuff, now let's come up with team names. Tyler, Aiden, and Teddy, you have to come up with a team name for your team. We will start off with Tyler. So, Tyler, what would you like to name your team?
I would like to name my team the Cool Guys.
That name sounds good to me.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright, Team 1's name is the Cool Dude.
Wow, how does that pop up? I don't know.
Okay, now, the second team will figure out their name. I think I want to name my team BFB Fans. BFB Fans? That's an amazing name! Now it's time for Team 3 to give a name.
I want to name my team the Pink Bears.
Teddy, that's an awesome name! Alright, the Pink Bears it is. Now we'll explain about the beds. Each team will have their own cabin to sleep in. And there's a name on each of the bed. And if your name is on the bed, that is your bed. The Cool Guys' cabin is on the bottom. The BFB Fans' cabin is in the middle. And the Pink Bears' cabin is on the top. Now you may be wondering, why is there two things that looks like slides? Well, one side is a ladder, while one other is a slide. The right side of the slide is a ladder, and the left side is a slide. But do not climb up the left side of the slide. You can only use the right side for climbing and the left side for sliding. And yes, this is the perfect place to chill out. And that's pretty much what we've explained about the beds. Now, there won't be a challenge today, since it's your first day here. But there's definitely a calf over there. Oh, over at the calf, there's many snacks here for you. And this is a place where you get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are 3 tables in there, and they present your team color. The Cool Guys' team color is red. BFB Fans' color is orange, and the Pink Bears' color is pink. Do not go into a table that is not your team color. And if you need a refresher, there was a protest area where you can protest. And at 6 o'clock, dinner will be served at 6 o'clock, so you have to come in the calf at 6 o'clock. Now go have fun, and do not go any other cabin except your teams. Okay, so you may have saw me frowning, but the reason why I'm frowning is because I'm not in the same team as Pencil. This makes me upset. Art, I cannot believe I'm not in the same team as Pencil. I'm so upset.
Hey Tyler, what?
Oh, I'm just playing some Fortnite.
Oh, I'm playing that as well. Can you join my lobby after this round?
Sure.
Is your round over yet? Because mine is done.
Yep, I got another one victory royale.
Well, that's great, dude. Also, can I sit with you so that we don't talk across the room?
Sure, why not?
Oh my gosh, how did you kill me like that?
What? I'm a pro at Fortnite.
Wow, I didn't know that you were such a pro.
Well, yes I am. I've been practicing since the release of Fortnite.
I started playing during Season 3 of Fortnite.
Well, I still think you're pretty good at the game, though.
Thanks, but maybe I am just not as good as you.
That may be true. Believe me, I'm just so glad that Fire is on our team. Yeah, that's true. It's so lucky that the three of us are on one team. Yo, it is. Since the three of us are on one team, we're gonna go head so far in the game. Yeah, it's gonna be so exciting. Hey, Kane! What game are you playing on your tablet? I'm playing Roblox with Iron and Skylar. Thanks for asking. Welcome! And I'm playing Candy Crush. It's a very fun, simple game. Maybe you should download it. Oh, that sounds pretty good. Maybe I should.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I just got a new legendary.
What game are you talking about?
Georgia Chain World.
Oh, I've heard about Gacha Life before. But I was just wondering, is it part of anime?
Maybe so.
Oh, it's just a nice view out here. The almost evening sun is just the best to look at.
Harold, do you realize that you have been looking outside for an hour now?
I don't know.
I am going to kick Harold again. Ho 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 ha ha.
Wait, right leg. Please don't make me go up and do that again. He's my best friend.
It's too late now. Ho 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 ha ha.
Ouch! Why'd you do that? Why you keep kicking me?
Want? That's what I do when I greet you, my best friend.
Well, you aren't my best friend anymore. Oh my gosh! Duncan, you are a bully.
Want? What did I do?
You work with the Harold on purpose.
But it was just an accident.
Yeah, we don't believe in that one. Ugh, I'm so tired of Duncan always pushing and kicking me. This needs to stop. He needs to get voted off. Well, I mean, the next time when we lose. Alright, contestants, the floor when I'm on wall. Come to the cafeteria for dinner. Oh my gosh, Duncan, why you keep bullying Harold?
What did I even do to you? I didn't.
Why, you did nothing to me, but you keep cyberbullying Harold by kicking him. Yeah, like why do you keep doing that?
Ugh, maybe it's because my right leg keeps misbehaving.
What? How am I misbehaving?
I think you can control your own self on that.
This chicken's so yummy! Yeah, so yummy. I could go for more. I know, this chicken's so good, but it's not as handsome as Tyler.
Girl, do you have an addiction to Tyler?
Not.
Bro, you are a bro on Fortnite.
Yeah, I practice a lot. This chicken tastes so good. Yeah, this does taste good. Yeah, it's one of my favorite foods also. I really hope my whole team decides to vote Duncan off when we lose. Like, oh my gosh. I don't want him in here anymore. Duncan really needs to go. Like, seriously. He hasn't bullied me in whole drama seasons. Like, why am I a huge victim? Aww.
Guys, this is serious. My right leg keeps misbehaving and I can't control myself over it.
What? What do you mean about that?
but my teammates including my team leader doesn't believe me in that. So here's a message to all the viewers out there, please don't vote me. I'm constantly trying to have my legs stay in place and not make a move behind Harold, my best friend.
What? You never did that.
So please think me some mercy and not vote me. Mom, please don't ground me because of this.
I'm not very sure about you, but I think she will ground you for what you have done.
So viewers, in the comments section, put hashtags Duncan didn't do anything, thanks, end of protest.
Alright guys, dinner is over. Now head back to your cabins. And this is the last thing we're gonna do for the day. So go to bed on time. If you don't, then you won't do good in church tomorrow.
At 3 o'clock p.m. the next day.
Okay guys, for your first ever challenge on CCE. Your first challenge host is down to the end.
Hey guys, it's me, Dan from the Diamond Minecart, and welcome to your first challenge. For this challenge, you're gonna have to build some boats out of diamond. When you are finished with your boats, one person from each team will perform a race. Whoever team crosses the finish line first is the winner of the challenge. So the diamond are your team color, either red, orange, or pink. So, is everyone ready? You have 10 minutes to build your boats. And go! 10 minutes later, after everyone finished their boats. And now time for the race. Well, these boats look great, but I'm going to give the boat names a name of a gemstone. So, the cool guys will be named Team Ruby. BFB fans will be named Team Special Team. And the pink bears will be called Team Morganite. Okay, now it's time to see who member in each team will paddle the boat. We'll start with Team Special Team. So Team Special Team, who wants to go? Yes, I'll do it. Alright, Coiny, hop in the boat. Alright, Team Ruby. From Team Ruby, who wants to paddle the boat? Well, good luck with that. Yeah, good luck, dude. Alright, Jake, hop in the boat. And now, from Team Morganite, who will paddle the boat?
You sure, Lindsay? Well, okay then.
Alright, Lindsay, get in the boat, and then we'll start the race. Okay, everybody. We'll do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, start paddling. Finish! All boats cross the finish line. And then, here are all the boats. This is boats when they cross the finish line. Now it's time to decide who wins. It looks like Team Morganite didn't win. Sorry, Team Morganite, but it was a very close match between Team Ruby But Team Ruby and Team Special Team just had a very close match. But what I'm looking at, I think Team Ruby just edged it.
This means the cool guys are safe. Here is a closer view. So it's true that the cool guys beat BFB fans.
Yay, I knew my Fortnite.
It looks like Pink Bears and BFB fans are out of luck right now. Vote for one person on each team, except the cool guys for elimination. Also vote for someone to be judging at the elimination ceremony next episode. And also vote for a challenge and a challenge host. The challenge host has related to the challenge you picked. Voting ends on March 7th at 3 p.m. EST. CCE 2 will released on March 8th at 6 p.m. EST. Special thanks to Arden the YouTuber 82 for requesting the challenge as featured in this episode. Thanks for watching CCE 1. Yeah, thanks for watching.